Out of those 15 patients in the COVID ICU unit here at Helen Keller Hospital, we know that 5 of them are in critical care and 3 of them are on a ventilator.
But we know we can't let up, and it can quickly go back to 33 if we're not careful, or we could reduce it to 3 or 5 total.
Hospital President Carl Buchanan told me it's a good sign to see his coronavirus unit shrink.
We do realize that masks work, and we do see a ton of commitment throughout the shows and trying to do the right things. And so we think that's what's contributing to the downward trend.
Buchanan said even with this slight relief, the hospital is still prepared for a worst-case scenario, especially with most schools in the Shoals starting in the next 2 weeks.
So we're prepared to handle an influx of cases if that's what we see. We hope not to see that, and we realize several of the superintendents are taking very precautious measures to try to prevent that. But as a healthcare institution, we have to be prepared for the worst, and we are becoming prepared for it.
He also added people cannot get complacent or think coronavirus is done.
It makes no sense to go in a different direction at this point. We have to continue moving forward with masking, social distancing, ensuring as schools reopen that we're still doing the right things to continue to see the downward trend.
Buchanan told me if they do see an increased number of coronavirus patients needing hospital care, they can expand their COVID unit for a second time. In Sheffield, Brecken Terry, Way 31 News.